massage, and touch. I teach my dogs to go on their side on cue. This is a trick and they love doing the trick. If your dog will not down on his side on cue, you should shape or capture a down on a mat first, or you could simply work on a massage and touch with the dog in a stand, sit, or down in the beginning. The first step in this exercise is to touch, click, and treat, and that can be accomplished from any position that the dog is comfortable in. Step 1. Start by touching your dog and almost at the exact same time you touch, click, and treat. Touch different parts of your dog, click, and treat. I am also stretching Twix's wrist. Release your dog before he chooses to move on his own.
Okay, good job.
Step 2. Hold the touch a little longer, and if your dog does not pull away, click and treat. You are trying to capture your dog being more relaxed as you touch him. If I can move Twix's paw without him adding extra tension, then I know he is relaxing more. When he is more relaxed, I click and treat. It is a good sign when your dog will go on his side without being cued. This most likely means he is starting to enjoy being touched and massaged.
Good job. Good puppy.
Step 3. Now that your dog is allowing you to touch and massage him a little, you are going to stop clicking and move to a calmer verbal marker word. If you use yes and your dog gets excited, then I would switch to a verbal marker of yep. If you are touching a new spot, go back to using the clicker. I feel this helps my dogs gain confidence and accept being touched in new places. It can take some dogs a lot longer to enjoy being touched and massaged. I demonstrated this with Twix because he is a high drive dog that would rather be running than relaxing. He gave me his paw this time. This tells me he's getting more comfortable. If your dog is doing a great job, give him a jackpot, but do it in a calm way to keep your dog relaxed. If your dog moves, that can tell you a few things. Maybe he is not comfortable being touched in that particular spot. Maybe that is a tender or injured spot and he is moving to prevent you from being able to touch him there. If you have done a ton of work touching and massaging your dog and all of a sudden he does not want you to touch him, that is valuable information. Your dog could most likely be in pain. You could go back to just touching, clicking, and treating and see if your dog can get relaxed again. If he is not relaxing more and seems to be guarded with that particular spot, I personally would take my dog to the vet and get it checked out. However, if you're just getting started with touch and massage and your dog moves, you should go back to an easier step or even start from the beginning with that new spot. Step 4. Increase criteria by adding more duration of touch and massage before marking and treating. You can also massage your dog's ears. Step 5. As your dog is more comfortable with your touch and massage, you can fade out the marker signal and just calmly give your dog random treats. Go at your dog's pace. Pay attention to what your dog is telling you. If you are like me and work a full-time job, try to work with your dog at least 3 times a week or more if you can. 2 to 3 minutes is all you really need. Use calming music when working on touch and massage. I like the Through a Dog's Ear CDs. You could use a special mat or comfortable dog bed when giving your dog massages. I also love to use a few drops of lavender oil to help relax my dogs. However, after a long day at work, sometimes calming music and lavender oil makes me so relaxed that I almost fall asleep massaging my dogs.